All right, let's unbox this brand new book that just came in. I know what it is. It is the most recent release from poet Malcolm Guite. I think that's how you pronounce his name. This is from the Rabbit Room Press. So thank you to Rabbit Room Press for sending me this review copy. We just want to take a look at it here right now because it's such an absolutely beautiful volume that I wanted to capture unboxing it before we ever get to the review, which will be coming soon. So this is Galahad and the Grail by Malcolm Guite and illustrated by Stephen Krotz, and again published by the Rabbit Room Press. But look at this gorgeous, gorgeous volume. Cloth bound. My word. Beautiful. All right, let's take a peek inside. I love the red accents here. Illustrations. Wow. Beautiful. What was the illustrator? Susanna Clark. No, I'm not sure, but is... Oh, no. Illustrated by Stephen Krotz, yeah. Forward by Susanna Clark. Susanna Clark is also a writer, and I have not read any of her books yet, but they are on my TBR for this year, actually. So I'm looking forward to getting to those, but... Wow. Just beautiful. So this is a brand new version of the story of Sir Galahad told in verse. And yeah, so review of this full book will be coming very soon as I get to it, but I wanted to capture the unboxing here so you could see what a beautiful book it is.